We're Maggie and Brad, and we've been full-time RVing since 2016. Join us and our sidekick Paco as we explore incredible places in the US and beyond. We have come up to beautiful Gull Lake for a stay, and today we're getting out on a hike. We are here to do the Fern Lake Trail.
It is 3.5 miles out and back, and it is almost 2,000 feet of elevation too.
It is gonna be a little rough, but we got plenty of water, and it looks like there should be a good amount of shade on the trail. As expected, right out of the gate, very steep.
Oh, it's crazy.
Beautiful views though. All right, this way to Fern Lake, or if you want a quick little detour, just, I don't know, 50 feet this way, you can see the creek that you've been hearing for a lot of the ways up here. What do you think? How much do we have left?
0.75 miles.
We're only halfway.
We're a little over halfway.
Oh my God. I have never been so tired on a hike.
It's extremely steep.
Yeah.
It's very rough.
This is a rough one. See a shimmer of water. We are here.
There was a little complaining on the way up, but we are happy we're here. I won't say who was complaining.
That's right, that's right. Who was it? Who indeed could that? Oh, you guys.
Well, it was incredibly strenuous, but very rewarding as well.
Yeah. I hope if you like to challenge yourself that you'll give this hike a try, because yeah, it really is quite gorgeous at the top and a really good workout.
And views all the way up.
Today we have come over to Gull Lake. A friend of ours really raved about it being this more quiet option to the very popular Gull Lake. And so it's just about 10 minutes from where we're staying.
Yeah, and sure enough, we came to put in and there was nobody else around, so it was very quiet. And there's a rope swing, so we got to try that out, and that was really fun.
Yeah, and there's even a walking path to the rope swing, so you don't necessarily have to paddle out to it, so that's a really cool option.
Yeah, it's fun.
It was a little more sunny out, but it is still a hot day. It's probably in the upper 80s. It's really humid feeling.
Quite comfortable.
Yeah, it feels good out here. And we got Paco out with us. He's been very chill and calm. And how can you beat this view?
It's fantastic.
We are staying at Ridge Campground here in Gull Lake. We've got some friends here as well, so that's been fun to see them and camp with them. And we're enjoying all the cute deer that are all over the place around here. AT&T has been pretty solid. There are no hookups, but there is a central dump station with potable water. Tonight we are getting out on a hike with friends. We are going up to Reversed Peak, which should be about 7 miles round trip and 2,000 feet of elevation gain. Well, good morning.
Good morning.
We are here in the Mammoth Lakes area, and we've come up to do a beautiful hike to Sky Meadow.
Yeah, we're going to see Emerald Lake on the way there as well.
And a 30-foot waterfall.
Yeah, I think we're expecting this is about 3.6 miles and 1,000 feet of elevation gain.
And we've got Paco with us, so we're going to take it nice and easy for him. Today is a Saturday, and we got to the trailhead within Coldwater Campground like 8:45.
Yeah, and there is a lot of room, a lot of spaces still.
I mean, maybe 10 more cars could fit in here, so that was a great sign.
Yeah, it's a little smoky today. We're hoping we'll be able to see the mountains okay.
Hard to tell. Yeah, fingers are crossed. Fair amount of climbing from the get-go.
Yeah.
Carrying Paco on these steep parts. Just coming up on Emerald Lake. Beautiful. You can see different shades in the water. Awesome. It gets real steep for a short section right after the waterfall, but I think we are really close now. What a great little trail. We are here in about mid-August, and we had some wildflowers, not a ton, but still beautiful.
We had a great time. Hope you guys enjoyed too.
See you next time. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more quality travel content. And when you're out adventuring, please respect campfire and drone restrictions, and always leave your campsite better than you found it.